Hi guys, yeah. Today we're gonna taste the mango. Oops, that's a mango. Yes, mango. That's a mango from the Philippines. So we're gonna taste it. This is how we eat mango. It's like that. But gusto ko ng kutsara. We're gonna taste it. Sweet. Tamis oh. Feel ko nasa Philippines ako. Diba? Sarap. Oh my God. Happy ang buntis. Ayan. Diba? Naka-yellow talaga. Sarap talaga. Ay. Kain. Tapos mamaya santol naman. Sulit talaga ang bayad. Oh my God. Iba talaga yung mango sa Pilipinas. So, talagang quality. Yung buto. Siyempre, mamaya akong kakainin. Okay guys, that's it.